Now it's raining.
Oh, now it's raining.
Pero hindi, konti lang rain.
Konti lang.
No worries.
Naubusan ng gasolina si Timmy at saka si Ella. Malapit na asawa ko?
Malapit na.
Malapit na. Huwag kats kasero ha? Parang siya nag-aalon-alon guys. Ayun. Nakikita ko lang to sa video dati. Ngayon, nandito na. Yeah.
I said wait, and you wait now.
Asa, ang feeling ko. Tut. Tawid, tutut. Tawid. Timmy looks like a ninja turtle. A baby ninja turtle. So cute. Hey, both of you, where is your plate number, huh?
License.
Yeah, good morning guys.
Good morning.
Another day.
Another vlog.
Another vlog. Welcome po sa panibagong araw. And today we have an exercise. And he said it's a short exercise.
Yeah, only half an hour walk there and half an hour walk back.
Or someone also walking. Oh. It's not so cold today. And it's not so warm.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
parang nagbabadya yung ulan guys. Dito makulimlim. And dito naman ay maaraw.
Jogging.
What?
I'll touch you.
Nag-jogging, my goodness talaga. Okay.
Now it's raining.
Oh, now it's raining.
It's April weather in May. Pero hindi, konti lang rain.
Konti lang.
No worries.
Ulan, we call it ulan.
Ulan, yes, and I'm sure we have
But
a
Regan.
rainbow soon.
Yeah.
Regen, yeah.
And this-
Ulan, konti lang ulan.
Oh, wala kang ano, Nico, kaputi like this. You want my jacket?
No, it's okay. I don't need.
Hey, Cooper.
Yeah, you can drop your
Oh, there's a jacket. Look guys. Oh,
old jackets there.
Tinatapon lang nila guys. Mga jacket. Ang lalaki.
Say again.
Okay. Sayang, no?
We're not getting
Okay,
this one.
let's go. We're joking. Only.
Papa.
But we need to go to the shade at the moment. The rain is quite getting...
Rain, ulan, and sun. So surely there's a rainbow somewhere, but we cannot see it because there's also trees.
Yeah, we stay
Blocking
here at the
the view.
moment. Here. On the side. Moment, Anna, it's raining.
Papa, I'm
Continue.
very good.
Hast du ein Baby gesehen? Timmy saw a baby somewhere.
I call Timmy Ninja Timmy.
Yeah, Timmy.
Very cute. Guys, Timmy. Oh. Para siyang maliit na pagong. Moment, here first. Okay.
I cannot see the rainbow yet. Rain is also stopping now.
Oh, now it's stopping, huh?
Yeah,
Okay, go.
let's go. I will find the rainbow somewhere.
Zeige mal auf die Straße.
Ja, aber schön vorsichtig, ne? Sehr gut. Didn't see any rainbow. Maybe the ulan was too short. By the way, guys, we're going today to... Ah, hast du das Eichhörnchen gesehen, Timmy? Juhu! There was a squirrel just passing the road. There was a squirrel, Asako. By the way, guys, we are going today to asparagus farm, or to a farm which is also selling asparagus, to buy some asparagus. Because Archie said in the Philippines there is also, I didn't see it, and here in the springtime it's like very famous and very loved. Ein Eichhörnchen, vielleicht ist das hier hochgelaufen irgendwo. And Archie said he knows how to cook also asparagus, because in the Philippines there's also asparagus. So I was very excited and said, okay, then let's go buy some fresh asparagus and let's try a Filipino asparagus recipe. So that's our program for today. And also we're walking half an hour to the asparagus farm to make the children tired. there. And they're very happy to go out now because the last 2 days it was very rainy and cold. And I was a little bit lazy to go outside actually. So we stayed inside, which was at the end they were very hyper in the evening and not easy to fall asleep. So it's good to go out again. What did you find?
I don't know.
Einpflanzen.
Oh ja, kannst du in den Buggy tun.
Baggy.
Mach unten rein. Ella is now very interested into plant things.
Yeah.
So she's finding seeds everywhere and always said, let's plant it.
Weglaufen.
Weil das schnell in einen Baum wollte, Timmy.
Actually, Ella R already said that, oh, maybe we can plant in the Philippines.
Yeah.
I said to her that when we come back there, we will plant. That's my
Yes.
promise to her.
Yeah.
We will plant. What
Some
Ella wanted?
vegetable.
Vegetable directly.
Yeah, she wants to make a little vegetable garden.
Vegetable garden, like
Yes.
you know,
Carrots and potatoes and so on and so forth.
it's really nice. Also, you pick your gulay
Yes.
for your cooking. Huh?
Yes.
Looking forward for that maybe
Yeah.
next month. Ah! We will see, guys.
Yeah.
We will
Actually,
see.
guys, we really enjoy here and also in Palawan because it's both very rural and we
Yeah.
really love like nature and the place to just walk freely and enjoy like that. Not like in the big cities, like big cities in Germany, also Manila in the Philippines. So the big cities are not so nice for children to grow up, I think, because I like it when the children can run freely and walk and live next to the nature. Also in the Philippines and also in Germany, that's very nice. I'm lucky that Archie is from Palawan. So there is a lot of nature also. And here is not as much nature, of course, as in the Philippines. There's like all the nature that you can have there, but also a lot of space to walk freely and to enjoy also nature. more plain nature.
Maybe super nice.
Yeah.
Ella cannot do it at all.
Yeah.
Galing ni Timmy, guys. Pag ganun-ganun na siya, oh.
Mag-enjoy.
Feeling something here?
Huh?
There's a tiny boat there, and then also here.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Maybe
so-
dredging.
But today is a holiday in Germany.
No, it's really.
Oh, happy Father's Day. It's Father's Day today in Germany also. And the day where you're celebrating that Jesus went back into heaven.
Yeah.
Christi Himmelfahrt called, like Christ's journey into heaven. I don't know, direct translation. And yeah, it's a holiday in Germany, so everybody is
Mama.
enjoying free day and nicely the weather is also joining.
Bibi?
Ah, okay.
Okay. Someone may kayak there, asawa ko, oh.
Yes, very
No, super nice, no?
Ja,
kayak.
Können wir auch gerne machen.
Oh, bigla namang uminit, guys, kaya inubad ko na isa kong jacket. Paiba-iba yung panahon dito.
Bei Bahnhof.
Guck mal, schnapp dir mal dein Rad.
Timmy, your bike, Timmy. Get your bike. There, oh.
Und Ella.
Ella also.
Ella's already sitting.
Yeah.
Da kann die nehmen.
Here, Papa. Put it here. Okay. Here. Okay, your bike, Timmy. Get your bike. Yeah. All good. Dahan-dahan lang, ha? Oh, huwag kasero, ha? Tawa ni Timmy. Tara na, tara na. Malayo-layo pa. Meron pa tayong 45 minutes. 45 minutes, my goodness. Masarap pagpaguran yung ano guys, yung asparagus, no? Lalakarin namin siya ng nasa 30 minutes daw. Yeah, po, mabaho. Yay! There's a tiny boat.
Hey, this is good glasses.
That is grocery already? Okay, that is grocery daw, mama.
Look, there's a car on the back.
Yeah, there's a car also. Oh.
What is the flag? Netherlands?
Lawak talaga ng kanilang ano. Netherlands. I think so. Maybe.
Maybe, I don't know.
I don't know.
With the flag.
Yeah.
Especially when there's 3 stripes that having some colors, because a lot of countries have 3 stripes with different colors. I
Yeah.
don't know. I'm always mixing them up.
Mhm.
Could be Italy, could be
Mama.
Netherlands.
What is it? You don't like to play, Ella? Here? 9? Ayaw nila maglaro. Sila mag-biking lang. Yeah. Saan, Aniko? Doon sa mga building doon? Doon sa mga building?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Really? There's a farm
Hmm?
of asparagus there?
Yeah.
Oh, so cute. Oh, Timmy Kogma. Ayan oh, ang ganda ng ano, space para sa biking. Oh, ang ganda ng tubo ng damo talaga guys pag ano, pag spring sa kanila. Napaka-green. Ayan oh. Nice, Ella. You stand, Ella, stand. Oh. Timmy Kogma la Ella. Nakain? Galing. Oh, Timmy, papatalo ka ba, Timmy? Oh, tama, walang tungtong yan, no? Tukod-tukod. Sige daw, sige daw. Okay, no tukod-tukod. Timmy. Uy, 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 uy. Langsam.
Hey, find me stuff. Find me. Here.
I like this place. Nice to go around and around.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How was baby Adam? Still did it?
Halfway did it, more way sleeping.
Okay, my Nabalitaan namin guys sa ano, sa news yung nangyari ngayon sa Pilipinas, doon sa Senate, no? Medyo syempre ayoko sana makinig ng balita kasi nga medyo nai-stress lang ako eh. And yun, sana maayos na, no? Gulo between sa mga partido ng ating pamahalaan. Sana mas mag-focus sa ano, sa kahirapan ng tao ngayon na na-experience natin sa Pilipinas, sa mahal ng mga bilihin, sa korupsyon, and yun, sana maayos. Sana doon sila mag-focus, hindi puro politika. And sabi ko kay Ani, buti na nga lang kasi nasa Palawan kami nakatira, medyo hindi kami stress doon. I mean, syempre, part pa rin tayo ng ano, ng gobyerno, pero malayo kami sa ano, sa pollution or sa mga ingay ng sasakyan, and sa yun, kaguluhan sa politika, no? So, sabi ko nga, parang ano, parang ito rin, parang ganito rin yung Palawan, tahimik and mura yung bilihin. Yung gasolina lang talaga yung nagmahal, buti ngayon daw nagbaba na ng konti. So sabi ko, ayun, ayos, para hindi naman sumakit yung bulsa ng mga kababayan natin Pilipino. So yun lang, pinagpipray ko na sana maayos na yung mga sikalot sa bawat partido natin sa pamahalaan. Wala akong kinakampihan guys. Yung kinakampihan ko yung taong bayan. Yung paano tayo ano, aasenso, paano tayo makakaraos sa kahirapan. So yun lang. Yun yung pinagpipray ko kay God na sana maayos na, no? Oh, hindi pa sila tapos. Not yet done. Come na, come. Let's go.
They were just chasing a butterfly.
A butterfly. Okay, go. Napakasarap mag-bike dito guys. So napaka-presko. Sabi ko na, hit and run yan eh. Huli ka, wala kang plate number ha, Timmy? Itong ninja Timmy na to. Ayan. Ang daming dumadaan talaga dito ng mga mini cargo. Oh, ano ko, meron doon maliit na ano? What is that? A river cruise.
River cruise.
A river cruise. Doon guys sa mamaya. Dadaan yan sa atin. Nagtatrabaho dyan dati si Ani. Sabi niya, how many months you work there, Aniko, in river cruise? You said for
I was working in the service.
in the service as a waitress.
Yeah, as a waitress.
Oh, galing.
So, but only like a weekend job.
A weekend job.
Mama, does that make fun?
Oh,
Yeah, it's kind
it's a very loud sounds. Oh, yay! Timmy, Hawks Max no. There guys. Oh,
Yeah, I worked in a company that was loaning out personal to some events or
Events.
something like that. And I worked like only one evening on a river cruise boat.
okay. Like this one, no?
Like this, yeah.
This one is a party river cruise, huh?
Yeah, because it's Father's Day today. It's surely a Father's Day party.
Okay, yeah. There's a lot of man. I saw it already. Ayan guys. Sarap minsan. Sana ma-experience natin yan, Aniko. No? Ryan Maggie. Ayan, party sila guys. So, meron silang mini ano doon sa taas, mini stage. Galing. Tara na. Lalo lang tayo may iinggit.
Oh, this one is very nice. You know this flower?
This one, what is that?
Holunda.
What?
Holunda.
Ah, this is the one, the drink? It's coming
Yeah.
from this flower?
Yeah,
Oh, so.
there's a drink coming from this flower, and my mama will soon make also marmalade,
Marmalade
out of
this one.
Out of this one.
I'll
yeah.
check ha, mamaya. Pero kasi kaming drink sa barko guys na Holunda. So dito pala to galing sa bulaklak na to. Ito. Yan. Amoy natin. Normal, amoy. Bulaklak. Yan, ginagawan drinks yan guys. Masarap. Holunda. Yan naman yung karga niya, mga ano, metal scrap. Ayan, oh. Ang dami. Ang lakas ng current ngayon guys, kaya nagkaroon sila ng ano, or naglagay sila ng boya dito para hindi siguro mapadpad dyan o tawag dito, mag-grounding kung tawag sa ano, sa cruise ship pa o sa malalaking barko, yung masadsad. Ooh, super nice. What is it? What is
I'm
it?
guessing that it's a buoy because the water is a little bit shallow there.
Yeah, shallow.
Yeah.
Nakalakad na rin ako hanggang doon with Annie and Ella pa lang dati. So, ngayon pa lang mauulit. Ngayon, tatlo na sila. Nakakatawa. Hanggang doon yan guys, na kung gusto niyo mag-exercise, mag-jogging, ayun ang haba niyan. Doon at hanggang doon. Yan, sarap mag-jogging, mag-biking. Tsaka maglakad-lakad na rin. Tapos meron pa doon sa taas. Ayan. Oh, ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda rin ng mga halaman. Ito naman ginagawang ano to, mantika. Ito oh, yung bulaklak nito. Yung nakikita nyo sa video namin na kulay ano, dilaw. Yan. Yung ginagamit namin na cooking oil. Yan, galing dyan. Sa mga video namin sa pagluluto. Yan yun. Yan yung binibili namin. Ah, konti na lang. Oh, ang ganda guys. Oh, ayun, ang halaman.
Also film.
Film din also. Oh, here. You film the flowers, okay? The blooming. Yan. Ganda, di ba? Smell ni Papa, ha? Filmin Papa, okay? Want to smell? Nicole, this one is really beautiful. Bango.
Also apa? Also.
Oh, okay. Sige. Oh, Ella also. Oh, film daw kita, film. Smell. Daw, nililipad na yung ano natin, malakas yung hangin. Ha? Talaga. Oh, film mama. Mama and Timmy, filmin.
I don't smell anything.
You don't smell anything?
I don't smell
Because
anything.
the wind is so strong. Dinadala ng hangin.
Awa.
Like the bush roses.
Yeah. What is it, Ella?
Awa here.
You know, what happened?
Awa.
Oh, Timmy, halika na, Timmy. Did you smell, Timmy? Naamoy mo?
Yeah, he wants to smell the white one.
Okay, the white one.
Okay, the master says.
Here's eine.
May malaking branch eh. Dahan-dahan lang nga, may honeybee. Go, go, go. Hop, hop.
Eine Hummel.
Eine Hummel macht
Honeybee yung
nichts.
bubuyog, yun, oh, yung kumukuha ng ano, ng honey. Yan.
Sammelt den Nektar von den
Yung tumutulong sa pollination para dumami yung mga bulaklak. Oh, di ba? So, saglit lang, yung bike nyo may dadaan na. Sabi natin. Oh, akyat na, akyat. Malapit na asawa ko?
Malapit na.
Malapit na. Kaya mo, Ella? Okay, dahan-dahan lang.
Nacht ein schöner Blumen.
Ja, guck mal, die roten, die Mondblumen sind schön, ne? I like the red poppies, they're very nice, colorful.
Ah, ito. Maganda rin. Kaya lang, pawala na siya, anik ko. Pawala na, patay na. Ayan, oh. Paubos na. Pero yan guys, hindi yan tinanim. Puso lang tumutubo kahit saan. Kaya gustong gusto ni Annie dito pag springtime. Kasi yung mga magagandang bulaklak, saan saan mo lang makikita. Tumutubo. Mga wild. Ah. Kaya pa? Kaya pa? Almost, Ella. Ayan guys, pababa.
There's no more.
What? No more?
There's no parents around.
Yeah, there's another ferry, but this one is like accommodation ferry, right? That you can sleep without sounds. Let's go, let's go. Meron ng ano, sumusunod sa atin. Oh, okay. Good. Nice, Ella. Unti mi. Supa. Dito na tayo?
Now we're almost there. Look,
Oh.
there's already the sign.
Ah, okay. Yan, asparagus. Aniko, they are planting here or just selling here only?
Planting here also.
Planting here also.
Online.
Langsam, langsam. Okay. Ayun. Spargal fresh. So dito tayo makakabili. Where asawa ko?
Here.
Ah, here.
Look there where the sign is. Frischer Spargel, fresh asparagus.
Fresh asparagus.
Okay.
Tara, malapit na tayo. So yan, so laking bahay na ito.
Look, I really like this one. Looks like very soft.
Yeah, very soft,
I
no?
always want to touch it, but it's not so soft as it
Not possible to touch. Yan guys, ang ganda oh. Wow, sarap sa mata. Natin. Ah. Parang siya nag-aalon-alon guys. Ayan, oh. Nakikita ko lang to sa video dati. Ngayon, nandito na. Personal ko na nakikita. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Pero parang mukhang damo lang. Ayan. Look, Ella, ang ganda. It's really nice. And it's like a wave in the sea.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, oh.
Bad news also.
Bad news.
It was only open until 2 o'clock and now it's almost 4 o'clock.
I'm crying.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. No
At
problem.
least we got movement and very nice. Oh, so nice.
Yeah.
Mama,
On Monday or tomorrow it's open.
Yeah, tomorrow's open.
We can come back tomorrow.
Ja.
No problem.
ich habe einen Stein mit ganz vielen schönen, schönen bunten Flecken hier.
Okay.
Verrate ich nur dir.
Okay, it's her treasure, so I cannot say what she has. Very secret
Ah,
treasure.
very secret. So we need to come back
Yeah, I'm gonna
Yeah.
back tomorrow.
tomorrow. But at least I went to the asparagus farm. This is the farm, I think so, no?
I think there are the fields there. You can see them.
Oh, we can go there and check?
Oh, look, there
Yeah.
other people also wanted to buy, not problem.
Yeah. Ito may mga lumang gamit sila sa farm dati, oh, guys. Sobrang luma na yan, oh. Yun, meron din. Oh, huli ka na. Dito. Come. Here.
I said wait, and you wait now.
Ah, sorry. Feeling ko. Stud may rely maniliti. Okay? Yeah. Come. You have a lot of stone. Di pa ako nakakita ng asparagus farm. Ayan. Ito ba yan? Ito mga gagamitan nila guys. Oh. Ayan. Parang hindi ito. Tingin ko hindi nga ito. Ayan. Wala, hindi ito asparagus. Tingin. Saan kaya yung farm nila? Ang dami naglalakad doon guys. Oh. Dito sikat yung Germany sa paglalakad talaga kasi ang dami nilang ano, malalakaran, patag lang. Tapos dito talaga ako na-amaze sa damong ito. Yan, sa video ko lang to nakikita dati. Pero ngayon, ayan. Sarap paliparan ng drone ito, kaya lang hindi namin dala yung drone. Hindi ko naman alam na may ganito pala kagandang damo dito. Ayan, oh. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito guys, baka alam nyo. Pero tingin ko hindi to damo eh, kasi meron diyang bunga oh. Baka grains din ito. Yan oh. Mga ginagawang biro kung ano man. Yan. Baka siguro after few months yan, haharvestin na nila.
Ella, nimmst du mal bitte dein Rad?
What did you get?
A ladybug.
A ladybug. And the other hand,
Stones.
you'll bring it at home.
Now Timmy wants to throw them into the water.
You can put it here in the buggy. Here. Here, put it here. Hindi man tayo naging successful to the asparagus, so
Yeah, so let's go back home.
let's go back home.
Tomorrow again.
Yeah, no problem. So babalik tayo next time.
Yes.
Maybe
So
tomorrow.
later we can go to the Island Festival. Maybe that's nicer.
Ah, okay. But we will walk also, or
No, we will drive there. It's in the.
what time it
It's
will
l-
start, or it's starting already?
It's starting. I think it started already.
Oh, come, let's
Until
go.
this evening.
Until the evening. Oh, may butas dito guys. Medyo creepy. You know? Timmy. Baka mabuslot ka dyan, Timmy.
It's very old. This one.
Yeah, quite old. There's Momo inside, or? Yeah. Oh.
Does it look like Momo? Very, very peaceful and nice.
Yeah, there's a bantay.
Yeah.
May aso. So, balik tayo sunod,
Yeah,
guys.
schon geschlossen.
Yeah. Oh, balik na muna tayo sa bahay. Let's go. Look what we missed, Aniko.
We missed this one. It was open Schmieden. I don't know what this one, ironing or something. I don't know. It was on Saturday, May 9.
May 9.
May 9,
Mm-hmm.
when we were in the Netherlands.
And
it
the
was.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Just imagine, guys, this is from 1888.
Mhm.
Look there. Oh. You see that? There's a marking also. 888.
Yeah.
Like 1888.
Yeah, 1888.
Maraming katagal na. Nadaanan lang namin to habang pauwi. Sobrang tagal na ng bahay na to. Marami pa rin dito mga antik sa lugar nila Ami. Pero hindi gaano.
Man hat noch nie eine Leiter gesehen. The children got tired and Papa came to the rescue.
Yeah.
And the buggy also came to the rescue.
Let's go. Okay. Now you know where we are, Ella? Malapit na. Konti na lang. Naubusan ng gasolina si Timmy at saka si Ella. Kaya to the rescue ang ating buggy, guys. Ayun. Buti na lang dinala ko to, kung hindi. Naku! Lagot tayo.
Look at the giant poppies here.
Ayan, walang sasakyan. Laki. Wow.
Eine Blüte mit so einem Angeln.
Nee, die können wir nicht pflücken. You cannot pick them, Ella.
Yeah.
They will die very quickly. They are very sensible flowers.
Go.
Go, go, go.
Nochmal Stange.
So now we're almost home, malapit na.
Yeah.
And
Only few steps.
yeah, the children are tired, looking forward for the cake that they baked in the morning with my mama. Actually, we wanted to go to the festival, which is in the neighborhood. But I think the children are tired and Papa's also tired, right? So we'll make it tomorrow or on the weekend because it's for 4 days. So we'll take you there another day. Yeah.
Das und das.
Yeah. So, see you in our next vlog. Thank you for watching.
Watching, guys.
Thank you for joining us on our short walk.
A short walk. Good.
Okay, short walk for Germans and long walk for Filipinos. And see you in our next vlog. Bye bye.